If you want to read reviews, book hotels, or share your travel experiences, creating an account on TripAdvisor is a great place to start. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create a TripAdvisor account in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open the TripAdvisor app on your phone or visit the TripAdvisor website on your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the Sign In button, usually at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll see an option that says Join or Create an account. Click on that to begin. Now, you'll be given multiple ways to sign up. The most common method is using your email address. Enter your email, create a strong password, and continue. You can also sign up using your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple ID if you want a quicker option. Just choose the method you prefer and follow the instructions. After entering your details, TripAdvisor may ask you to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email, open it, and click on the confirmation link. This step is important to activate your account. Once your account is verified, you'll be logged in automatically. Now you can set up your profile by adding your name, profile picture, and preferences. This helps personalize your experience on the platform. With your account ready, you can now explore hotels, restaurants, and attractions, read reviews from other travelers, and even write your own reviews. You can also save places, create travel plans, and manage bookings easily. If you face any issues during sign-up, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're entering the correct email and password. You can also try a different sign-up method if one doesn't work. So, in simple words, creating a TripAdvisor account is easy. Open the app, tap on Sign In, choose Create Account, enter your details, verify your email, and start using the platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next video.